everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this really cool and awesome bubble art. Honestly guys, this is one of my favorite crafts I've ever done on my channel. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Oh, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mark, and I'm so glad you found my channel. If you haven't already, click that little red subscribe button right now and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified every time I do something new. Now, let's just hop into the video. Start off by taking a container and any color of acrylic craft paint. Then squirt a tiny little glob into the bowl. After that, pour in a couple squirts of dish soap. Mix this mixture until it is completely even. It's very important that you mix this well to make sure that your bubbles have color and are not just plain clear bubbles. After you've mixed this, pour in quite a bit of water. Again, mix evenly. Then take a straw and start blowing a mountain of bubbles. Take a piece of white cardstock and scoop the bubbles up onto the paper. It's kind of hard to see, but you should have a little bubble imprint. If the imprint is too light, try stirring in some more paint. Continue this process until your whole paper is filled with bubbles. So mine have now dried, and here they are. I did make several in different colors, so I made a blue one, an orange one, and white ones. Overall, I love how this craft turned out, and I love how it really is quick to make, but it looks awesome. Alright everyone, so that was our DIY for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it, and if you did like it, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, click on that little red subscribe button and tell me in the comments below what you thought of this craft. See you guys in my next video. Bye!